So I'm here to tell you, the main enemy here is not yourself. The main enemy is guilt. And that is the power. That is what the devil used to fight against believers of today. Guilt. Guilt. Unforgiveness. Guilt. Guilt. The guilt of sins that you've committed last time. Just bring it to your notice. Oh, you want to pray. Sometimes we commit sin, and when we want to pray, you hear voices like, oh, you want to pray now after what you did. That is not God punishing you. That is not the Holy Ghost reminding you of what you did. It is the devil using the weapon, guilt, to attack you so that you don't go closer to God. Guilt will stop you from fulfilling purpose. Guilt will stop you from going closer to your Father. Guilt will hinder you from a whole lot of things. Don't let that happen to you today. Yes, you sinned, but come boldly into the throne of mercy, that you may obtain mercy and grace to help in time of need. God bless you. Follow me for more